In 1932, Australia declared war, not on a country, but on a flock of giant, flightless birds. After World War I, Australian farmers faced a new enemy. Over 20,000 emus migrating through Western Australia's wheat fields, trampling crops and devastating livelihoods. The government responded by sending soldiers armed with machine guns to stop the feathery invasion. What followed was chaos and confusion. The emus, surprisingly fast and oddly organized, dodged bullets and scattered, making them nearly impossible targets. In the first attempt, soldiers fired thousands of rounds, but managed to kill only a handful of birds. The emus then split into smaller groups, each led by a commander bird, outsmarting the military at every turn. The operation was so unsuccessful, it quickly became a national joke and a symbol of nature's resilience. By the end, the army withdrew, defeated by the birds. The Great Emu War wasn't just a bizarre episode. It was a harsh lesson in underestimating nature's power. The emus survived, the crops didn't. And Australia's strangest war ended with the birds as unlikely victors. How is this even real?